Let's take a look at how to find the sum of data values squared, x squareds. Let's say I have my x's in column A here, and let's say I got the numbers 1 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This column, I'm going to put my squareds in here. So I'm going to do an equals A2 asterisk A2. What this is going to do, you have to have the equals there. That's what tells it a formula. It'll take the value of A2, which is 1, times the value of A2, which is 1. 1 times 1 should give us 1. And if I press enter, you see it gives us that. If I click in B2, you see in the bottom right hand corner is a little square. If I put my mouse over that, it becomes a black plus. And if I click and hold down and drag down to B11, you see it fills the formula down, adjusting it for whatever row it's on. 7 times 7 is 49, 8 times 8 is 64, 10 times 10 is 100. So those are our x squareds. Now to add those together, you could do it right below it if you wanted to, or you could do it at the side over here. If you do equals sum, beginning parentheses, and then type in B2 colon B11. Again, has to have an equals, has to be a sum. B2 is our beginning cell, B11 is our ending cell, and it will add all the numbers in between, including what's in B2 and B11, and then enter. You could have also used this up here, the auto sum. It comes up and it tries to guess what do you want to add together. And sometimes this guess isn't too good. You see it says A5 to C5, which is logical based upon where it's at, but what I really want is this right here. So you just click with your left mouse button on B2 and hold down, then drag down, and you'll see it draw the rectangle around that. And it's actually got the correct range in there now. And then if you press enter, our sum of our x squareds gives us 385.